This? It's not helping you memorize. You've been taught the wrong way to remember things. But in the next 5 minutes, I'll show you a technique that makes anything stick using just your imagination. The chain method. Memory made easy. Set up the problem. If you've ever forgotten a grocery list, study notes, or a speech, this is for you. The chain method is like mental superglue. Each thing you remember triggers the next. Demonstrate the chain method. Let's try it. I'll give you a random list of 10 words, and I promise you'll remember them all by the end without writing anything down. List to memorize. 1. Dog. 2. Pizza. 3. Balloon. 4. Castle. 5. Fire. 6. Ice cream. 7. Robot. 8. Banana. 9. Moon. 10. Book. Here's how we make the chain. We turn the list into a weird story where each item leads to the next. Please make sure you pay great attention to this. The story, the chain. A dog is barking at a giant slice of pizza. The pizza floats away like a balloon, which pops and lands on top of a castle. Inside the castle, everything is on fire. But a giant scoop of ice cream falls from the sky and cools it down. A robot eats the ice cream and slips on a banana peel. The banana peel flies to the moon. And on the moon sits a giant book with your name on it. Recall test. Now let's see how much you remember. What was the first item? The dog. Then pizza. Balloon. Castle. See? One thing leads to the next. Why it works? The chain method works because it taps into how your brain naturally remembers. Stories. Visuals. Emotions. Connections. The weirder, the better, because boring info gets deleted. But meaningful connections stick. Call to action. Try this the next time you need to remember a list, a speech, or even Bible verses. Build a chain. Tell a story. Make it stick. Like this video if your memory just got an upgrade, and hit subscribe if you want more brain hacks.